Hi everybody, this is Corey from Conquering the Chaos, and this is a video walkthrough of the mood tracker spreadsheet. This is a pretty simple spreadsheet. This video shouldn't take that long, but incredibly helpful for tracking your mood, weather, and sleep patterns. So on this first page here is the instructions, which, like I said, this isn't a very complicated spreadsheet, but if you do have any questions, they're probably on this first page um, in how to do something. So the next page is your setup page. You really don't need to do anything with this page at all. Um, the next is the yearly overview. I'm going to come back to this in a minute. So once you start using this spreadsheet, this is what your month is going to start looking like as it starts filling out. You're going to go through every single day and track your mood, what the weather was like that day, and how much sleep you got that night. And it will start populating this graph right here, and it will tell you how many good days and not so good days that you had. In addition to, there's also it's not really in calendar form, but it's kind of a calendar. Um, Everything that you put in up here will populate down here, and then this space you can add notes to what went on that day. You know, anything that you feel is relevant into knowing insights about your mood. Another thing to mention is that um, you don't need to do anything with the dates. The spreadsheet is set up to be the current year, so you will have to change the spreadsheet once every year. But other than that, you don't need to do anything with the dates or the times. So I'm going to go to February. It's February right now. Um, it is February the 19th. See, it's highlighted right there, and this little highlight will move along for every day. As the day changes, that will change too. So I'm a couple days behind here. I'm just going to very quickly go and fill a couple things out so you can see how easy it is. Sunny, sunny, sunny. Um, 6 hours, 6 to 7 hours. That the hours are 2, 4, 6, and 8. So what I do is if it's 6 or 7 hours, I choose 6 hours. If it's 8, 9 hours, I choose the 8 hours. Or 4 to 5, I'll choose the 4, and so on. So I'll just choose that. Let me fix this. I'm going to do a very sad one so you can see it dip down. I'm going to say that one's cloudy. I'm going to say that was a terrible night of sleep too. 18, normal, cloudy, 6. Today, I'm happy today. It is sunny out, and I got 6 hours of sleep. So, every day, like I said, you just go through and you fill this out, and then you can come down to the 19th and put in your notes of, what happened that day. So that's it. So let me go back to the yearly overview. This is going to be your year at a glance, and this all comes pre-populated. There's nothing that you need to do once you fill in your information within the months. And then you can kind of see how your year is shaping up. Maybe you're less happy in the winter months, and then once spring comes, then you're happy and you're feeling better and you're feeling lighter and you're getting more sleep. And those are the kinds of things that you can figure out when you look at this chart like this. So that's it. It's pretty simple but pretty powerful at the same time. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, and I will be happy to answer them for you. Thanks.